Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Masya Allah.
warahmatullahi.
Today is good weather, right?
Yeah, I think
Really sunny.
really sunny.
Yeah. Okay.
Most in a few days it's more like rainy days, but I think
Yes.
yeah. In the class, I like the most rainy days.
You like? Yeah,
But
yeah.
some people doesn't like it.
Yeah, like me, I really don't like rainy, but not. Yeah, but I like sunny because I can do some activities that I love. Yeah, back to the topic. So today we are talking about books first, and then me first, and then Zidane will answer my question. Okay, Zidane, do you like reading some books or reading books?
Yeah, it's like my one of my hobbies. One of my hobbies that I like the most, reading the book, reading the yeah in my house that was a room for the library room of library that is uh, many many books,
Yes.
from
Yeah.
fiction, from the business, or from the Islamic
Yeah.
study.
It's all about that.
And what about you?
Yeah, I can see. I see you are love reading books because you're using glasses, right? Yeah, that's why the reason he love reading. But for me, if you're asking me, do I love reading books? For now, I want to hard work. I want to get really hard to love reading some books because I know reading books is most important to open the knowledge. I know because reading books is the most important how to we get the knowledge. For now, I really struggle in reading some books because when I read something, my brain is like blow up. Oh my god, I can't focus because for me, listening more I like than reading some books. But I still want to left this struggle. I still want to learn about reading some books because I know this is important. Okay, next question. What kinds of books do you like to read?
Yeah, the kinds of the books, my most of for me most likely some fiction.
Yes.
Some fiction maybe from the Harry Potter serial of the Harry Potter, or the Lord of the Rings, if you know. And a comic book that is from the Japan is manga, or the from the uh, American, that like the most likely DC Comics or Marvel Comics.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
got it.
When
So
what
you-
about you?
what about me? Okay, I like books like he's telling about Islamic, of course, because I like the story of Sahaba,
History.
history of Sahaba, and history of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and about ulama, and of course I love reading books like this story is non-fiction.
Oh, just like the real life,
Yeah,
based
yeah.
on true story.
Yeah, basic on true story because I know this is real, but if I not really like to reading some fiction book because I know this is fake, bro.
Okay.
That's for me.
And next question, what about? I think the opinion. What is the best book you have ever read? The best book that you most likely you can more learn from that book, more that you take the lesson from that book.
Yo, bro, the most make me best book for me, right? I can't
Yeah.
lie, bro. For me, I'm not lie. Al Quran is the best book for me because I have many learn I can take from Al Quran. So because we know the Al Quran is the best book ever, the best book, yeah.
The best book of religion.
Yes.
That is most
I mean,
important from our life.
Yeah, in the Quran we have story, we have history, we have some
lesson.
lessons, we have some about religion, yeah, about the
About
problematic,
the story.
yeah, about the problematic in this dunya. in this dunya, so we know how to, yes,
how to learn from the
yeah.
learn from the Quran. Yeah.
And how about
Yeah.
you?
It's same. It is same from me. Same about you. That is the Holy Quran is the most impactful to me.
Yeah.
Most impactful to our life. Our the people listen.
I agree.
I agree, man.
And next question, is reading books a popular activity in your country?
Well, my opinion about this, the reading books is popular. Yeah, I think is that is the activity
Mm-hmm.
popular activity in my country. But some people have the small of the literature, small of the lecture of the reading of the books. But sometimes uh, mm, some people that doesn't like this hobby or this activity of reading the books, most likely that is take the time is very very unnecessary uh, for their opinion.
Yes. But by the way, what is the meaning unnecessary?
Unnecessary is
Yeah.
not uh, it's more like that doesn't matter anymore. That doesn't
Not
matter
really
of the
important again.
not important.
Okay.
Not important from the time. Not important for the time. But it's more like just have impactful for our life, our lesson, our daily routine.
Yeah. In my country, yeah, you're same country with me, like, right? Is popular activity. Reading is maybe in my lingkungan apa? What?
Society.
Yeah.
Society.
In my society, maybe
Neighborhood. Your neighborhood.
neighborhood. It's maybe I really rarely seeing people reading some books or anything. But my dad is really like to read the book.
Really loving the book. Really
Not
loving.
really, but he sometimes reading some books. But
Often.
I rarely
More often.
more often. Yeah.
Okay. Next question. It's more time,
Oh,
but
it's okay.
many time. Okay.
It's okay.
So we have the change the topic about the internet.
Yes, about the internet.
I think I choose about the internet. The question about the internet. This is about the opinion about you from you.
Okay.
Are the children allowed to use the internet at school in your country or your neighborhood or your society or your
Uh,
remember.
You know that internet. Right now we have, yeah, internet about children. My opinion, that you know the internet. This era now, we have advantages and disadvantages. Okay.
Intermediate.
Yes. Yeah, maybe this is bad. Internet for me, my opinion, it can be bad thing and this can be good thing.
Well, it depends.
Depends,
It
depends.
depends from the user.
Yes, depend the user.
So,
And
from my answer is like you just sometimes just
yeah,
like it depends from the children.
Yeah.
It depends from the that
who
them,
control
the control the internet,
children.
the children.
Yeah, I know.
About the parents, about the teacher maybe or the some old people from the children.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think it's
It
really
depends.
important.
Yeah, because some children is sorry,
Yeah,
but some children is not yeah, because children don't know how to use the internet. Some children just only using internet and then go to the bad thing, and then yeah, that's why the parents is the most important person, how he can control the children. Yeah, it depends on situation. Okay. And now I want to, about what?
just
just change. Yeah.
Just from the 10 minutes.
Yeah, bro. So right now I will asking you about. Can I know your daily routine? Yeah, because this is important. Yeah, daily routine.
So my daily routine from the in the beginning, that is from my I start in the 3 o'clock or maybe uh, 3 o'clock. That's from the prayer of tahajud,
Yeah.
and I start about that, and I start to pray the subuh prayer,
Yeah.
and I change to move to the halaqah, or maybe the reading Quran, reading from some people, some my friends, reading the halaqah Quran, reading the Holy Quran, and move I move to the my dormitory, our dormitory,
What is dormitory?
the room that best have the bedroom,
The bedroom.
bedroom.
Oh, dormitory is a bedroom.
The bedroom.
Okay. Okay.
The bedroom. Our bedroom.
Okay.
And I have to prepare to study in the college, in this college.
Yes.
And I start to college and prayer Zuhur, Asar, and prayer Maghrib, and ended in Isha, and I have to prepare to sleep, and before I sleep, I usually take the wudu first.
Yes.
Yes, you have the sunnah.
Yeah, I know. This is the so if we get a wudu, so the devils or the shaitan will
Yeah.
not.
Into
Yeah,
into
to
into
us.
our eyes. Okay. My question.
Ask me,
Yes.
ask me,
The
bro.
question. Do you think it's important to have daily routine?
Yo, bro. For me, it's really important.
Why?
For
Why?
me, it's really important because we know some people say that time is money. Yeah, time is money. We know time is money, so but not specific to money. But I know that time is the more important because we know that our prophet is not wasting his time. Because I know the hadith from Rasulullah that many of people he is forgot about two things: the health and the time. Yeah, I am struggling right now. Struggling about
So
daily-
you have the discipline or the commitment from yourself, from your heart, that is take the daily routine every day,
yeah,
day by day.
yeah, bro. Daily routine. I know it is the most hard, more
More important.
hard thing because if we want to consistent in some activities that is a good or benefit activities, we know this is really hard for me.
Some people.
Some people, maybe some people, okay. Yeah, because we know that Rasulullah said because two things that people always forget, this that health and
Waste of the time.
always
No, the waste of the time, but
no, waktu
the-
kosong.
yeah,
Waktu
the work-
kosong.
Nah,
Kosong what kos?
empty time.
Empty time, yes, zero time, bro.
No. Sorry,
So-
sorry.
So sorry. Yeah, that's why this is important. Even Rasulullah said like that. We know that time is how we to use that. Yeah, we have to use the time wisely, bro.
Wisely and more
Yeah.
get the benefit
Yeah.
from the time, get the more lesson, more learning from no more the waste of time anymore.
Yeah.
Because this dunya is temporary
Yeah, I know.
and the hereafter is permanently.
I agree, bro. So we have to hard work, You have to try and
Struggle.
try
And
and
struggling.
try again. You get fall down, up again, fall down, up again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's like
that's natural, bro. That's natural. But we have to get hard work. Yeah, That's why important.
Okay.
May Allah giving me power to
Giving us.
yeah. May Allah giving us power to kill the wasting time, so we have a productive time, so we can be a good man, good Muslim, best Muslim, and anything, inshallah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So this is our conversation
Okay,
about
Miss.
the,
So
about the topic,
about
about
the
the
topic.
books, of the internet, about the daily routine. Some of my vocabulary is
Yeah.
not efficiently about it in this conversation. I think.
Yeah.
Okay.
No problem, bro. Same like me, bro.
Okay. Thank you for hearing us.
Hey, thank you to you first. Okay, thank you very
Thank
much.
you, Annie.
Thank you to Zidane, and thank you very much to Miss Iris. Yeah, it's 15 minutes. Oh, right now it's 16 minutes.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's more.
it's more than enough,
More
inshallah.
than enough.
I'm sorry, Miss. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.